Hello everyone, welcome to the short video on Migrate and Modernise offering of Cloud. What I'll run through today is how our current environment of our customer is, how we analyze it, and what we deliver. So what does our current customers have on their on-premise data center? They have applications, they have servers, and they have databases. With this information, to recommend for public cloud migration and modernization, what we need to do is actually analyze this into a 6R analysis. So doing this discovery means that we have to capture information about business requirements, the infrastructure analysis of that particular application, and also the regulatory information. These are some of the information which we are talking about. We go detailed into the application and the related infrastructure to analyze it using various tools. But ultimately, with this information, we do the 6R analysis, which are retire, basically decommissioning the application, retain, where we need to retaining it to private cloud because of regulatory requirements, rehost. The applications in public cloud, which will be as is migrated, so a lift and shift of the as is application and the infrastructure to public cloud. Then re-platform. These are for applications and for infrastructure where you need to change the platform on which it is running. Then refactor, where minor code changes, minor runtime environment upgrades are required to make it public cloud suitable, and also do the modernization, tiny bit of modernization. And finally, the re-architect or redesign, basically totally changing the application to make it public cloud ready and make it cloud native development. So once these analyses are done and these recommendations are done, what we deliver to our customer are 3 to 4 things. First is what the total cost of ownership is, which is the right sized. So typically on-prem environment is sized to peak, but with after this analysis we provide the TCO, which is right sized TCO. Then what is the migration strategy? So whether there is, whether it's a 1 year, 2 years, 3 years program, and which we need to prioritize, whether there is a data center exit, so on and so forth. And third, over here is the migratable and executable roadmap for them. So a roadmap, which is an executable roadmap, and what are the costs associated with it, how they can use the savings to reinvest into modernization, and so on and so forth. This is a small version of the whiteboard session to talk about Migrate and Modernize. We have a longer version to tell you the details of each and everything over here. Please follow that later on. Thank you.